So delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making for you a pineapple strawberry smoothie. Alright, so before I start, remember to like my video, share it with your friends and families, and leave me a comment and tell me what you think of my other videos. So guys, remember to check out my page. There are several videos, several smoothies, Jamaican dishes, vlogs, everything there for you to check out and support my channel. Okay, thank you so much. So let's get right into this video. So as I said before, I'm going to be making a pineapple strawberry smoothie. Alright, so I have some pineapple cut up here in this. I have some strawberry, raspberry and blueberry in this bowl, and I have a ripe banana, I have a yogurt, and I have some cranberry juice. Alright, so I'm not using any milk today, I'm using some juice to make this smoothie. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So first I'm gonna add the frozen fruit. So I have some fruits frozen and some not. The raspberry not frozen, some of the raspberry. But in order to get a nice smooth smoothie, you must have ice or some frozen fruit. Alright, so adding my fruits, blender. I'm gonna add some apple slices. Well, so I'm adding some pineapple. Yummy. Yes. Tastes good already, and I'm not started blending. So I'm gonna add the banana. Oops. That's a side, and then I'm gonna add the yogurt. Nice easy smoothie that is good for everybody. Everybody can have this smoothie if you are not allergic to any of the fruits that is in it. Alright, add some cranberry juice. You can choose which juice you want to add. You can make some orange, you can add some orange juice, milk, and whatever you like. So I'm gonna blend now, guys. And there you have it, guys, all done. Look at this color. The raspberry always gives it this beautiful purple color. Always giving it this color. Look at it, guys. So beautiful. So beautiful. Let me glass this. So yummy. Look at it. Looking so yummy. So I'm gonna taste it. So delicious. So delicious, guys. It's my pineapple strawberry smoothie. So delicious. Got it. So delicious. So go right ahead and make this smoothie, guys. My recipe is pineapple, yogurt, ripe banana, raspberry, strawberry, and blueberry. And I use some cranberry juice. You could go ahead and use milk or orange juice, depends on what you have at home. So quick time, you make up the smoothie and there is lunch. Alright, so remember to like my videos, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice delicious smoothie. Okay guys, so until my next video, bye.